So this is the 4th day since we started the Reno. Got this first room nice and cleaned up. Baseboards and the strapping are still on the walls, but we'll get to that later, maybe after this weekend. First, we're just trying to clean up the bulk of the mess. So all the plaster and insulation from this room are bagged, ready to be thrown out. And in this second room, all the lath, most of the lath that was on the floor is now piled up over here, ready to be thrown out. Just a little more to separate. And if we look closely, there's a cat. Hi, Ollie. Oh, there's a good boy. There's a good boy. Ollie. Oh, good stretch. Good stretch, boo-boo. Yeah.